Once you have completed your imaging for the day, you can hit load position to lower the stage to its home position and remove the slide. You can then take a lens tissue and you can fold that tissue in half, wipe under the objective, turn it over and wipe again. We don't use any solvents when cleaning our objectives. We also want to be careful not to touch the center of the lens cleaning tissue. So we take the tissue, we can take it by the edge, fold it in half. We have two areas that can touch the microscope. You can place your finger behind the piece and wipe it across, and then fold it over and wipe it a second time. It's important to only make one directional wipe rather than rubbing back and forth. And it also should be noted that the nose piece of the objective is spring-loaded. So don't be afraid if you feel that movement as you wipe. You want to ensure that there is no oil remaining on the lens tissue after the second pass. And you never want to get other brand microscope oils mixed between systems. So always ensure that your slides are cleaned with ethanol before and after your imaging.